All right, everybody, it's Ken Birdsall here from Sunnyside Chevrolet. We are taking a look at this 2019 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. This is going to be a little bit more in detail, so if you want just a quick look at this one, quick walk around, check out that link in the top right-hand corner. You can see our full inventory at sunnysidechevrolet.com or give me a call at 440-365-7311. And this one is... it's the grandfather of them all here. This is a huge Silverado. It's a 3500. It's an LTZ. So you got the dual axle in the back here. You got your Allison Duramax transmission. It is really nice. The LTZ gets a lot of the chrome features. So not only just you see the badging in the grille, but you'll see it all the way around. LTZ gets the fog lamps, standard. You get power folding mirrors, you get power sliding rear mirror, dual climate control, remote start. That's all standard features on the LTZ trim. So this gets you not just getting the job done, but getting it done in style. This one particularly has 17-inch polished aluminum rims as an upgraded feature. We'll take a look at the back ones here in a second. And there's a crew cab, the long bed. It's the biggest of the Silverado HDs. 167-inch wheelbase. Rides like a dream. You get a max payload of almost 5,000 pounds. With this diesel hookup, I would show you these back wheels as well. With this diesel hookup, this one has gooseneck fifth wheel provisions. That's an add-on feature. If you do the conventional trailering, you get up to 20,000 pounds of towing. If you do the fifth wheel gooseneck, you get up to, I think it's like 22.7. Very strong setup here. This one has, with that Duramax Plus package, you get a lot of different things. You get front and rear park assist is a big thing. Again, your chrome bumpers out the back. You've got your footsteps. This has the easy lift and lower gate. So when you let it down, it's got a tension bar that goes right across the bottom, so it makes it real easy to lift back up too. This one has a spray and Bedliner added. And again, you see your fifth wheel gooseneck provisions here. Also your power or your wiring for your trailer. And a backup camera is standard as well. You see that power sliding rear mirror or rear window. We'll take a look at that here in a second. One thing as part of that, when you move to the diesel, they don't give you the capless fuel on it, so you get a normal capped. Otherwise, you would go with capless. 6-inch tubular assist steps. Really nice. We're going to take a look. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. The windows being tinted as they are. Might be a little bit hard to make that out. I'll try to put some of the information in the details below. But you see all the standard features for an LTZ, plus what all is added on here. Added on items are Duramax Plus package, sunroof, 17-inch polished aluminum wheels, heated and vented driver's seat with the bucket seat, center console, and wireless charging pad, the spray on Bedliner occasion red tin coat, and the fifth wheel gooseneck. Also added an alternator 220 amp. It's kind of a heavy duty one there. This is called Cocoa Dune for the interior. I love the crew cab. It's got tons of room. These are 60-40 splits of perforated leather, so it breathes really nicely. These are not heated or cooled in the back. Look how much room you got. You got tons of room back here. I'm going to slide this back down. Got your assist handle to get you up in. We'll give you a look at the front dash. Center console area. And we'll go hop up front. Alright, as we come up here, let's kind of start with the door. You've got power locks, windows, mirrors, child locks, window locks. You've even got power folding mirrors. And that's part of your LTZ. Hello. And that does that on both mirrors, so both sides will do that. You get Bose sound, that's part of that Duramax Plus package as well. You got power adjusting seats, manually adjusting on the steering wheel, it tilts and telescopes. But when you do the programming here, it'll adjust your mirrors, your seat, and your foot pedals too. Now it's a little bit different from the Tahoe and Suburban. The adjusters actually over there, I'll show you that here in a second. As we come to look at your integrated trailer brake controller, 4-wheel electronic shift, automatic light control, and your fog light control as well. And then if you want to adjust the steering column, you use these two levers for that. I'm going to hop up in here so it stops dinging at us. Alright, again you get your leather wrapped steering wheel, is really nice, it matches with that Cocoa Dune. Cruise control on the left, heated steering wheel as well. Bluetooth hands-free functions, and then your controls for your driver information center, which is up here. So I'm going to cycle through that so you can take a quick peek at what all is there. We got a short fuel range, so we need to get some gas in here, or diesel in here, I guess. Fuel, petro. Oil life, you'll see tire pressure, exhaust fluid level. You'll see all of those features in here, as well as audio, phone. You can put your navigation in here. You can show, I mean, there's just, and you can even on your info tab, if you want to decrease the amount of, I'm gonna go back over here. If you don't want all of these tabs here, you can just narrow it down to whichever ones you want. Under options, go down to info pages, and then any of these, say you don't want, you know, you put speed limit on there. Some of them that weren't checked. Trailer brake, transmission fluid, off-road. Off-road's kind of a cool one too. I'll show you guys that here. We go back up to info. Let's see where they put it in the lineup. There you go. So it actually show you your inclination and everything. So especially if you're, I mean, if you're doing a trailer or a heavy load, and you know you need to know where you're sitting. If you're not sitting level, it gives you left, right, front, back, all of that. If you're in 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive, really great, helpful information. But you can add and remove any of those as you want there. But there's your gauge cluster there, hazards up here. Behind the steering wheel, there's also your radio preset control. So if we don't have anything preset, but it would show you, it'd cycle through any of your presets up there. And then on this side, you'll see your volume up and down control as well. So it's designed to keep your hands on the steering wheel, not have to go reaching over to the radio or anything. Which on the radio, we're going to take a look. It's got the 8-inch Mylink radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Sirius XM, free for 3 months as well. And so you can either do radio here or radio there. Either way, it does this exact same thing. It will cycle you through AM, FM, or XM radio. Media, if you hit either one of these, will do everything from your CD player. If you have Bluetooth hooked up, USB, auxiliary, it'll go through all of those. You have your phone that you can pair up. It's really easy to do. Pair device. It's like a 2-step process. You're done. Projection, again, that's your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. Navigation, again, is part of your Duramax package there. So it's built in. I'm not going to go through everything. You have apps. You can download some other things like weather apps. You can organize any of these in any way you want to. Just push and hold, just like you would on your phone. And then you can drag and drop if you want to relocate them, and then hit the home button to get out of there. You have a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot that's built in. That's good through AT&T. Month-to-month subscription, so there's no long-term contracts or anything like that. And obviously your time and temperature up there as well. This little arrow down here is going to bring up your favorites. So when you do program something, let's say the Pulse is your favorite, you want it to be a number 1. Just hold until you hear the beep, and you'll see the name go there. If you want to overwrite that, just tune to the next station wherever you're. If you want the coffee house instead, you can push and override that there. Alright, and then you have your CD player as well. Dual zone climate control. I believe that is part standard for the LTZ, which is really, that's a great feature. Again, your power adjusting pedals. See if you guys can see those down there. There you go. Shorter, taller, you can adjust there. Traction control, your bed light, your park assist sensors, whether you want those are on or off, and your exhaust brake is part of that diesel package as well as the engine, so what I'm looking for, the engine block heater. And then you also get heated and cooled seats. Again, that's an added feature that is not standard, but you get heated and cooled seats for driver and the passenger. Down below here, you got a couple 12 volt as well as the 110 and your USBs. This is a really nice rack for holding your phone or a tablet or something like that. If you got information there, you need to use it for your screen. Huge console here, cup holder. You do have your wireless charging if you have a phone that is compatible with that. You have USB and auxiliary ports in here. And this is a hanging file system. So you can actually, you know, for work if you need to put stuff there. And again, more compartments all over the place. You even got them down below here, down in the side, and down in your door as well. Upper and lower glove box. I'll let you guys check out the back seat from this angle. And then as we look up to the top, obviously on your mirror you have your OnStar features, your universal home remote that's standard on the LTZ. And then this one, we'll start with the right. This button will do your power sliding rear window. Alright, and then this one, these two are either going to do tilt or slide for your sunroof up top. So I'm going to close that. And then if you want the shade closed, you can close that. Your dome light controls up here and your sunglass holder. Alright. Lights start out dim, get brighter. Alright, and the last couple things I didn't get to show you was in your shifter, which I should show you the backup camera as well. So you can actually see your hitch. It doesn't have the hitch guidance system yet that's on the 1500s, the new 1500s. That will be coming here soon, but you can turn your wheel, turn your guidelines. You can see your bumper right across the bottom of the screen. And if you have you can just barely catch the hitch, but if you have the hitch mount and everything there, that'll show there. Alright, and then I forgot to show you your directional signals and your windshield wiper controls here. So this is the inside. It's a really nice interior. Again, this is Cocoa Dune is what this one is called. You can get it in a couple different colors as well. And we'll go take a look at the engine here, go over a couple more things outside, and we'll wrap it up. Alright, again, it's got the 6.6 liter V8 engine. Turbo diesel. It is a turbo, don't forget that. And it's got the 6-speed automatic transmission. Which equates to about 445 horsepower and about 910 pound-foot of torque. And again, it's right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. So if you guys want to come check it out, give me a call at 440-365-7311. Check out our website at sunnysidechevrolet.com for our full inventory, or give me a call. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, like, share, comments, and you guys have a great day.